Destiny transports you to virtual market called Joka. In the standard version, this is a territory of close to 1 million inhabitants residing in 208,000 homes. There are 3 product categories, 3 manufacturers, 2 major retail chains and a fairly large base of lower trade outlets comprising of small chains and independent stores. In the expanded version, Joka has a population of 2 million and there are 5 manufacturers and 3 retail chains.
The 3 categories cut across the key consumer packaged goods departments: beverage, food and personal care. Ambrosia is a wholesome beverage that provides energy and nourishment and is made up of fruits, nectar, minerals and other ingredients. Panacea is health food made up of meat, vegetables and therapeutic ingredients. These food bars are nutritious and provide protection against diseases and disorders. Hygienia comprises of personal care and hygiene products that provide for facial, skin, hair and oral care. These potions serve to enhance personal beauty and well-being.
Products are composed of a number of ingredients. The proportion of the ingredients has bearing on product cost and product quality, both of which impact on the demand for the product. Manufacturers and retailers have the option to adjust the composition of the ingredients by as much as ±10% every quarter for both their existing brands as well as formulations currently under development. If, for instance, the composition of an ingredient in a product is 20%, the composition can be increased up to a maximum of 22% or reduced up to a minimum of 18% for that period.
Manufacturer brands and house brands across the 3 product categories are shown here. Retail labels such as Fuji and Inula are house brands that cut across all categories. Labels like Mamira and Jasmine, shown in parenthesis, are product formulations under development that have still to be launched. Manufacturers can choose to launch these products into the market at any quarter over the course of the simulation. They may also alter the composition of these products at any period, even prior to launch.
Destiny's 9 market dashboards provide broad-based information pertaining to market and trade performance, purchasing, promotion, advertising, brand image, product development, brand management and commercial parameters. In addition, the simulator supports a set of financial reports. Destiny's participants traverse a multi-year time frame within days. The duration is usually 3 years, though the game is sometimes run over a shorter duration. As depicted here, the 3-year game plan, which covers 12 quarters, comprises 6 sets of business decisions, each encompassing 2 quarters. Starting with the historical data for year 1, the team's first decision pertains to year 2, quarter 1 and quarter 2. The outcome of the decisions is reviewed through Destiny's dashboards, which are described in greater detail in the section Market Intelligence.